How to make your 3D text intros like which you have seen uh, right now in my video. Okay friends, so how to make YouTube channel intros, or you can say YouTube channels animation. So let's get started. Okay friends, so as you're seeing here, an app called Legend. Okay, so when you'll open the app, you see a screen like this. You have to edit this text as you want. Like I want welcome. I'll write welcome to. I'll 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 add in some effects. Welcome to Arham Ansari. And now after writing the text, click on the right button here. And now if you want to set the background image, click on here and set the background image from your gallery. Or if you want to make a videos, then click on, then hit the center button which is videos option here, and now you'll see a screen like this. Okay, so this app has 10 to 12 text and your displaying features. So I'll choose the color combination of this. Okay, so as here you can see, it has some different types of effects also to give your animation here. And here's the meme, mask, slide, enjoy, trailer. Okay friends, I most like this one, this splash one I like the most. This splash and the mask I like the most. So as I use the mask one, whichever is your choice you can use. And here's the setting option for the size of your image, not image, video. I am doing with 720p. If you want, you can try 1080p, or friends, the default is 512p. And here you can choose format also. It's square and landscape. The default is square. Okay, so now click on OK. After that, after doing all your things, hit the download button in the right corner to save. If you want to save as a GIF, click on this, and if you want to save as a video, click on save as video. Hey friends, so I've already saved it as video, so I'll save it as a GIF. Like for example, I'll save as a GIF. Okay, so here it's building. So here you can see building your legend, or in the notification bar, building your legend. Here also you can see GIF is built. Okay friends, so how to download it? Okay, so first of all, open your Play Store in your Android device. Open your Play Store and search for Legend. If you can't find it, there's a link in the description, so go and check out. Sorry. Okay, so here you can see, if you'll search for legend, it will come. Okay friends, so this is the icon and this is the name. Legend animate text in videos. It has a 4.5 rating and 10 million downloads. 4.5 rating. So here you can see the features also: profile management 92, privacy control 93, sharing anonymously 91, uploading videos 91, also sharing media and some other stuff also. Okay friends, so please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and yeah, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon. Bye, see you in the next video.